Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Mini Cooper and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once you finish prepping the panel, we can start with the installation. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, I would recommend using warm soapy water. That way the film is able to stretch more because the warm water helps release the tension on the film and it's easier to stretch. And the reason why we need warm water is because the design of the headlight, it's a deep curve. So you're going to need to stretch this film a good amount in order to cover at least the majority of the headlight. It won't cover the inside because the curve deep in here, so it's only going to cover the flat surface here as much as possible. So around here it covers, but not the inside. So when you are aligning the film, align it just on the flat area, so roughly around there. Once you have it there, we're going to tack it down and make sure we secure a good amount. That way we're able to stretch the film and reach it to this edge and then stretch it here and here. So just take your time when you're doing this. This one will be a little difficult when it comes to stretching. So to secure this part, apply Tack Solution underneath the film and on top. Okay, so once you apply Tack Solution, hold it in position and start securing this whole section. Make sure you secure a good amount because we're going to need the film to stay tacked down here. That way we can stretch the rest of the film going up. And another thing you can use to help speed up the process for the adhesive to cure is applying heat on this area. That way it stays. So grab your heat gun, apply heat all over the area we just tacked down to help the adhesive activate faster. Once you finish applying heat, just apply Tack Solution again, and with your squeegee, tack it down. And this is just so we could secure it and it doesn't move as we stretch the film. So move it. If the film is not moving, then you should be good. And now we move on to the next step. So we need to stretch the film to reach it to this curve. And as we're stretching, we're going to stretch it here as well and here. So if you have help, someone can help you stretch here while you're stretching the film here. But if it's just one person, then you're going to have to take your time, one side, then another, then the other. So start by applying Slip Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film, and make sure it's warm soapy water. So place it back down, and with this one, have both hands on the film and stretch the film going upward. So as you can see, it is a little hard to stretch, so you just have to keep pre-stretching it until the film stretches and reaches to the top edge. So just pre-stretch and make sure this stays tacked down, because if it lifts and it moves, then you have to restart everything. So just pre-stretch the film. And another thing you can do, but it's a little risky to do, is applying heat on the actual film. And what this does is it will help release the tension on the film. But just be careful when you do this, because if you apply too much heat and you overstretch it, you might cause too many fingers to pop out on the edges, and they're going to be hard to bring back down. So just like that. That's up there. Tack it down to secure it, and make sure this stays tacked down as well. And now work on each side. So stretch the film going this side and make sure this doesn't lift. Just bring it back down. If it is lifting, it may take some time to bring it down, but like I said, take your time, apply heat, warm soapy water, and it should bring all the film to tack down. And to remove these fingers, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution around the sides where the fingers are located, and with heat, and you're going to squeegee them with your squeegee, and you could also use your microfiber towel to bring them down. So just shrink the fingers as much as possible. You could break them down to make them smaller, but this is just the whole process of tacking down and installing this specific headlight. Wrap your microfiber towel in your squeegee and start removing those fingers. So just repeat this process until you're done removing all the fingers. And once we're done removing all the fingers, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. That way any fingers that we did tank down don't lift again over time. And then once you're done post-heating, you're done with the installation. So once you're done with the installation, like I mentioned, the last step to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So just apply tack solution all over the film. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the headlight. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use your microfiber towel to just tack down the film and remove any solution that may be trapped behind the film. So just go all around, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Mini Cooper. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Keep in mind, because of the type of shape it is going to be a little difficult to install, but just take your time, and we hope that the video helped you guys out. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.